In today's video, I'm going to talk about the one food you've most likely got in your kitchen right now that can help to shrink your prostate. This food is scientifically proven, and if you include it in your diet, it can help to ease, if not get rid of, your enlarged prostate symptoms. So stay and watch the video to get all of the details. And also, I'm going to give you a special, easy to cook recipe, including this food that's delicious, that will really help ease your enlarged prostate symptoms. So stay and watch the video to the end to get that. So as men get older, generally over 45 to 50, the prostate enlarges. And the main reason for that is as a man ages, the male body produces more of a particular kind of testosterone called DHT. Now, increased DHT production enlarges a man's prostate. I mean, there's other factors as well, as basically being having high blood insulin levels and high blood sugar levels, because high insulin levels and high blood sugar levels increase inflammation in the body, so that isn't going to help your prostate. But the main culprit is increased DHT levels. And the trick to easing your prostate symptoms and even shrinking your prostate is to basically block the DHT production. Now, if you go to a doctor complaining of prostate symptoms, he can give you sort of two types of pills. Basically, one is alpha blockers, which basically block the production of DHT, and hence can ease prostate symptoms and even shrink the prostate. But the problem with pills from the doctors, such as alpha blockers, they come with a whole host of unwanted side effects. But luckily for us, there is a food we've got in the kitchen that can basically do exactly the same symptom. Plus, this food decreases prostate cancer rates by up to 83%. What is this food? It is tomatoes. And what's in tomatoes that really helps? It's a substance and a chemical called lycopene. It is scientifically proven that ingesting lycopene in the diet can help to ease prostate symptoms because it blocks DHT and over time can help shrink the prostate. So basically, the food you want to have is you want more tomatoes in the diet, and ideally cooked tomatoes, because cooked tomatoes increase the lycopene production. So I've got a really simple recipe for you that you can cook at home, including tomatoes, that basically will do your prostate the world of good, and over time will ease prostate symptoms and could even start to shrink your prostate. It's a tomato-based sauce. I cook this every week and I eat it. I don't eat it every day, but I do eat tomatoes every day. But I'll cook a batch, have this special tomato sauce a couple of times a week. Now, what you want to do is you can get chopped tomatoes, get a tin of chopped tomatoes or a carton of chopped tomatoes, or tomato sauce. And when I mean tomato sauce, I don't mean the ketchup. I mean the stuff you cook spaghetti bolognese with. All you want, so you've got that. And then what you want to do is get high quality extra virgin olive oil, put that in a pan or saucepan, chop some garlic up, throw the garlic in the pan, just cook the garlic on a low heat, because you don't want to, cook this, put the olive oil for a high heat, because it's not good. Just fry the garlic on a low heat, and just until the garlic starts turning colour slightly. Once you do that, add the tomatoes, put some of your favourite seasoning in, such as Italian herbs, put salt in, put some pepper in. I usually put some more high quality extra virgin olive oil in, because extra virgin olive oil is fantastic for you. It's got so many health benefits, lots of healthy fats, it's anti-inflammatory, the list goes on. And what I'll do is I'll just cook that over a very low heat for 10 minutes just to get all of the flavors to combine. And that is it. You've got a healthy tomato sauce. It takes no more than 5 to 10 minutes to cook. And basically what I do is I'll either have that with a little wholemeal pasta and some chicken, but sometimes I don't want carbs, so I'll have that with my favourite piece of chicken and a nice salad, rocket, microgreens, and usually I have some more tomatoes with it because I just really like tomatoes. And this simple tomato sauce, you can batch cook it, so you can just freeze it or put it in your fridge, and you can pull it out lunchtime or dinner to have with your meals. And by having tomatoes every day, you're having your good lycopene intake every day. And over, I would say give it a month, but over a month, I am pretty sure that you will see a noticeable improvement in your prostate symptoms, such as increased flow, less urgency, you're able to empty your bladder better, you're going to be waking up less in the night, and if you carry this on, your prostate symptoms will only improve. Bonus tips, reduce your sugar and carb intake because this will reduce insulin levels in the blood. Try to do intermittent fasting every day where you don't eat for up to between 12 to 16 hours. If you do all of this, your prostate is really going to thank you. And you're not going to have to go and see a doctor and get all of the bad medication, or the medication anyway, that can cause pretty nasty symptoms. So that is what I've got for you. Eat tomatoes every day or a couple of times a week. I try and eat them every day if you can. You can try my tomato sauce recipe or just add them in to your lunch and dinner, and you're going to see some great benefits. Now, what I'm going to do is I've got a couple of things for you. If you want an extra supplement, I take this because I've actually experienced prostate symptoms this year. I'm 49. By increasing lycopene intake and a few other things, that has really helped me. But I also take this prostate supplement called Prostate. I'll leave a link below. That's also helped me to improve my prostate symptoms by increasing urine flow, reducing urgency, dribbling, and also going up in the night. I used to get up 3-4 times a night, but now I only get up once a night most, and sometimes not at all. And I've got a really strong flow now. So if you want to check out Prostate, I'll leave a link in the comment description below. It's got hundreds, if not thousands, of great reviews. It's proven. It's got lots of good things in there. And yeah, I highly rate it. Also, what I'm going to do is I'm going to link below my favorite health-based newsletter that gives me loads of natural health advice to keep me in the best health possible. Highly rate this newsletter. So if you want to check out this newsletter, it is a paid newsletter, but it's well worth it because every month it's going to give you all sorts of natural-based remedies to overcome everyday symptoms, especially after 40 years old. So if you want to check out the newsletter, link in the comment description below. Anyway, that's what I've got for you. Hope you found this video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.